Tom Harvey, Foxconn, Ohio.
Oh, FOH?
Yes.
Oh yeah, I know some folks from there. My name's Tim. Nice meeting you.
Dave, you said?
Tim. My name's Tim.
Tim. Tom.
Yeah.
That should be easy. This is what we're getting into.
I know.
So, I'm the learning and development manager. One of my roles is to teach everybody what we're going to be doing, how everything works together. So this is an ideal opportunity to have the expert show us, if you don't mind, on camera, and we can look at the different pieces, the different components, where we fit in and how it all fits together.
Understood. So, sorry, your name again? Sorry.
Tom. Tom Harvey.
Tom Harvey. My name's Tim.
Tim.
Okay. So I would like to first introduce the idea of this whole model.
Great.
And I will then provide my understanding to what FOH is doing.
Excellent.
Yeah, I have worked on the same project, so
good.
With the team.
Good.
Like, I know some folks there. Anyway, so this is the modular data center, like the campus idea. So the idea is we fabricate, we manufacture all the equipment, install them into the container. And once we ship these containers to the site where we want to build a data center, we can reduce the overall building time and to make it faster compared to traditional data center building.
Excellent.
And here we do divide them by different functions. In this case, we will say all of the computing AI servers are here. We call this IT hall. So each of this container has the AI server inside, probably about 8 to 10 AI server rack.
Okay.
And here, these containers, here we identify them as the HVAC, which is the thermal function, heat ventilation and cooling. Here we identify them as the power module, which we have the UPS, we have power supply, we have backup batteries, that sort of things. So we divided this campus into different categories to support different functions. And here is just the idea of like what the other infrastructure facility requirement. Here we need a grid power, we need transformers, then we provide the power to these power modules. These power modules then distribute the power to the thermal module and to the IT module so they can all work together.
Okay.
Here, all these transparent container models, we want to show, kind of demonstrate what's inside each container.
Okay.
For example, this one is the IT hall. Right? We have the server and we have some thermal equipment. For example, this one is the HVAC, the thermal one should be somewhere here. This one we just feed to the atmosphere, and heat goes from here to this container and goes back to the atmosphere.
Okay. Are they still closed on the top, or do they have open vents?
This one needs an open vent.
Okay.
Yeah. But the others are closed on top. And these are just power modules. They are like batteries and power control stuff.
Okay.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
Well, that looks like it has a generator in it.
Oh yeah, this is like the backup generator. Backup generator. So in case of emergency or power blackout, so the power doesn't work, and we need to switch to the generator.
Okay. Very good.
So, for my understanding is, FOH would be manufacture server and the module. That's my understanding.
That's what we've been told too, but we're still, it's still evolving.
It's very challenging. I know it's very challenging. Right?
And I think there's some intention at some point to do the HVAC or as many different pieces as possible of this.
One thing that we were discussing was we divided this into high value and low value ones. For example, like the IT one is definitely more high valuable,
right? And
the power thermal is kind of like in between, and the other functions. For example, you can build that house using container as well to do a monitor room.
Okay.
That's a monitor room and office by a traditional building.
Okay.
So I think that's one of the discussion of that, like which containers we're gonna manufacture.
It seems like the leading one right now is the server.
Yeah, because that's
for now.
Because that's the most valuable one.
Okay, excellent. That's an excellent explanation.
Awesome. Thank you.
We've got a lot of people who are transitioning from vehicle manufacturer to data center manufacturer, and it helps to really make that clear, and so people understand how this all fits together, because they see a shipping container and it's like, okay, what's in there?
Oh yeah, definitely.
So now it makes a lot more sense, and that can help them picture what we're going to be doing. So that's great.